being here and watching. So I am so excited because today we are opening up the most affordable beauty box ever. This is the Walmart beauty box and it costs $5. Technically they say it's like free and you pay $5 shipping, but the total comes to be $5 and it's a seasonal subscription box. And the spring box was so good. I thought it was so worth the $5, so I really hope the summer box is just as good. If you guys have not yet subscribed to the Walmart beauty box, I will definitely link it down below. But yeah, it's definitely gotta be the cheapest, right? If you guys know of any beauty boxes, even that are equal value, $5, let me know, but if they're less or anything like that, like I think the next one up is like Ipsy at $12, right? So yeah, this is great. But before we get to the unboxing, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I do subscription box unboxings every single day here on our channel. So if you love beauty boxes, subscription boxes, all of that, I would absolutely love it if you subscribed and joined us. That would mean so much to me. But now back to the box. So super cute. It has the Walmart logo but with like lipstick. So yeah, let's get it open. So when I open it up, this is what I see. And the first thing I'm so excited about because I really need them. Please don't pay attention to my nails. Soon they'll be pretty because we received a nail set. So this is by Salon Perfect. It's their design nail set. You get 24 nails, a nail file, and professional nail glue. So these are like stick-on nails. We received something similar in our alert box, and I haven't tried them yet. I just opened that the other day. But yeah, I'm trying to do my own nails lately and I'm not very good at it. So I'm hoping like these press-on nail things or whatever you call these are, you know, they work out better for me. These are so pretty. Can you even tell? Oh yeah, in the back there's even more. I feel like it's so reflective. Let me see if I can get the top off without getting everything everywhere. Okay. I would do that. Oh, now they were in like little things that had like the sizing on there, like different numbers, and now they're gonna be off, but this is what they look like. Again, ignore my actual nail. These will be so fun. Like, look how long they are too. Gosh, I guess I'll clean these up later. But first thing is impressive, even though they're all over my table now. I guess that means I just have to do my nails after this. I guess I should have showed you like the card that comes with it first. Oh wait, this is the spring box? I'm always so confused. I swear they send their boxes like a season late, but it says Spring Beauty Sensation, so I guess this is the spring box, but whatever. Next up we have a Natural Vitality Calm, a magnesium supplement in the raspberry lemon flavor. I think I've tried this before. I don't know if it was the same flavor, but it actually might have been. And I like taking magnesium at night as a supplement. It can kind of help like calm your mind and get you a little sleepy. I believe you take it about an hour before bed. But like with any supplement or anything like that, I always say if you're on medication, so always check with your healthcare provider or pharmacist if it's a good choice for you. It looks like there's a card in here that talks about it as well. It says de-stress with a moment of calm. And then it gives some ways to practice self-care. Love that. Next we have 2 foil packets here by Suave Professionals, and it's Curl Defining Cream for naturally curly and coily hair. I showered today and washed my hair, and I did not even use one styling tool, so you can tell I have very straight hair, not curly, so I will have to pass this on, but it looks like they are both the same. So this is ideal for wavy to curly hair. After sectioning, apply a damp or wet hair starting at the root, work through the ends, do not rinse. Oh, so it's like a leave-in conditioner. Nice. Can't use it, but for those that can, that's nice. Next up we have something by Biore. I just grabbed this box from my mailbox and everything's so warm. It's like 100 degrees here, but anyways, Biore Love Your Pores Rose Quartz and Charcoal. So this is a daily purifying cleanser. It's supposed to deep clean and radiate self-love. And it gives you directions on how to use it on the back, just like a normal cleanser. Wet your face, squeeze in your hands, apply it. Work into a lather. Rose quartz in your skincare. I've heard about like rose quartz rollers, you know, like similar to the jade rollers, but I've never heard of it in actual like products, like skincare products, like cleansers like this. Have you guys tried this? Do you guys know the significance of rose quartz in your cleanser, what it does? Oh, Oh, the next item I'm happy to get, a toothbrush. This is a reminder to replace your toothbrush if you've been using the same one for a little while. So this is by Hello. I've received their toothpaste before. So this is soft charcoal infused tapered bristles, naturally friendly, BPA free toothbrush. Say hello to maximum brushing happiness. This thoughtfully designed toothbrush features soft precision tapered bristles infused with charcoal from bamboo, and the super comfy handle is BPA free for extra friendliness. I've used charcoal toothbrushes before. I think I got like a 5-pack before from like Globin as an add-on or something like that. I like having them around if I have guests or something like that, but I have used one myself and I do like them. So I'm happy to get that. Oh, and the last thing in here is the toothpaste by them. Oh man, I was hoping we would get something else I saw someone else got, but this is a Hello Anti-Plaque and Whitening Fluoride-Free Toothpaste, and this is a natural peppermint with tea tree and coconut oil. So I have tried their other toothpaste before, but not this specific one. So I'm always happy to get stuff like toothpaste in my boxes, because then that's like, you know, one of those things I don't have to run to the store to get when I run out. But I saw someone else got like a NYX lippy or lipstick in there, maybe like a NYX lip gloss actually, or lip oil in their box, and I thought that was great. But to be fair, my box last month, or last season, I guess the winter box, but we got it in spring, I don't know, that was really awesome. But I still think this box was worth it for $5. I mean, we got a full-size toothbrush, a mini toothpaste, and there also is like a $2.50 coupon in here for the Suave product. So I can't use those Suave packets, but I'll pass it on. We got a face wash, and what I'm most excited about is that nail set that I like spilled everywhere. This has got to be valued around $5, right? Like maybe more. And then we got the supplement. So the nail set definitely made the box for me. If you guys got this Walmart box, I would love to know what you got, because there must be some kind of variation, because I know one of you sent me pictures of your box, and that's how I knew there was a NYX like lip oil in it. So if you guys got yours, let me know what was in your box. Did you like it? Did you think it was worth $5? And yeah, thank you so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.